Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to drop or database in SSMS, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So let's select any database. So I'm going to select Adam. Hereafter right click and go to delete. And hereafter click on OK. So see right here, Adam deleted. So in SQL Server, you can do anything like or deleting, updating, or database or table by two ways. First is graphically. So if you are deleting here or by this way, so this is called graphically. The next way is by query. So next way to read the database by query. So let's write one simple query to delete database. So write at here draw and hereafter database and give the database name. So this time I'm going to give emp. So emp database I'm going to delete. Now hereafter execute this query. So at here command or completed successful. Now here it's not showing, it's still there. So for this select the database and refresh it. And hereafter see this is the system database and here user defined database, that's a deleted. And one important point, in some cases database not deleted. So let's see one reason. So at here I'm going to create a new database. The name is giving or salary. So salary database add here, it's created. Now hereafter I'm going to open one more Microsoft SQL Management Studio. Let's give username and password. Now hereafter let's click on new query and hereafter set the database salary. So at here by default when you are using Microsoft SQL Server Management, so by default database is master. So this time going to select or doing the sum operation on salary database. So you have to select salary. Now from here it's a salary database you opened by some user like at here Sam. Now suppose if I'm going to delete the data from another user, so at here I'm going to use here master database. It's selected, and here I'm going to delete a salary. So let's execute the query. So at here it's is in progress. So let's stop that one because at here I'm going to delete the database by graphically. So right click and hereafter click on delete. So let's click there. Okay. So see at here it's in progress and here it's executing. So after a few seconds the message will display uh, drop failed. Because the reason is somewhere some user is using at here a salary database. So at here it's a salary database, it's open so that here some user is using, so that here it's displaying is in database is in progress, and hereafter it's now it's a message displaying error. The error message drop failed. The error message drop failed. The reason is cannot drop database salary because it's currently in use. So here it's currently in use, so that it's displaying, it's not deleted. So to delete the database, you have to do one thing first. Let's write at here uh, delete data, delete database, and hereafter click on OK. So in progress. Now hereafter I'm going to cancel or uh, here I'm going to delete this connection of salary database. Now hereafter if you go this point, so see at here it's a salary database deleted from here. So these two things. So if some user is using some database, so currently executing database, you cannot delete. Now the next thing is, so when you are creating any database, so two files generated. So first is RDF and next is MDF. So let's say, so first I'm going to create one database. So at here, let's copy this location and click on run. So at here, write run. Now, this location, let's click on OK. So at this location, I'm going to generate a new database or two files. First is log files and RDF files and MDF file. So at here, let's give at here database name. So at here, I'm going to give at here item database. So item database not to add the at here. You cannot find item database. So let's click on OK. So add here, let's click on OK. So database add here created and now two files generated at this path. So here you can find Adam down. So if you did to database, then whatever the files that to RDF or MDF files, so that also deleted. So see at here. Now I'm going to delete at here Adam database. Delete. Now click on OK. So it's done. Now hereafter go to the path. So at here see Adam not are there. So this the things about database to delete database at here from the and one more thing, system database you cannot delete. So if I'm going to delete at your master, so right click, so at your delete option not for system database or master database. So by force I'm going to delete by the query. So at here let's write the master and here execute the query. So see at here getting the error message cannot drop the database master because it is a system database. That means system database you cannot delete. So this is the things related to our database or drop database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.